Our packaging centre in Eastbourne packs over 4 billion tablets each year to the highest standards of quality and safety. A blister pack is created from rolls of plastic and aluminium film filled with the tablet or capsule and closed, all on the same equipment. Each of these machines costs around £1.5 million. Tablets initially arrive in bulk and are filtered into the trays. Next, a plastic shell is vacuum formed around a mould so it can contain the items snugly, and a lid made from a sheet of aluminium foil or plastic is applied to seal the product in the mould. These wide sheets are then punched into strips and paired to make 2 strips in each box. Finally, the blister is inserted into the outer packaging along with the patient information leaflet, and the outer package is closed. To guarantee quality, every box is weighed to check all the contents are present, and 10 boxes are gathered and wrapped to form a shrink pack. These shrink packs are then multi-packed into a larger outer box ready for distribution. Get more out of your career at Teva.